Hey guys, hope you're having a great time. Today I'll share with you 5 easy no-bake Halloween treats for kids. These are just perfect. So if it's just the last minute and you're looking to make something quick and easy for your kids, you cannot go wrong with this. Here you will find 5 easy Halloween treats which I'll show you how to make in just 3 minutes, and they are so easy and special. So let's get started. For the first recipe, I'm making Dracula Dentures. Here I'll cut open some biscuits. Use some melted white chocolate along with red food color to make my fake blood. Top with some mini marshmallows and top with another layer of the same biscuit topped with melted white chocolate and red food color to replicate a blood. And there you go, these are ready. They look so bloody and spooky at the same time, right? Over to the next recipe. This is even more special. It's called Oreo bats. Here I'll cut open some Oreos, separate the cream part and cut open the other halves into 2 parts. Then I'll melt some dark chocolate and apply it over the Oreos. I'll just simply stick the other halves over it to make the wings and top with some candy eyes to make it look like a bat. Here I'm using the melted dark chocolate as the glue to stick the Oreo halves to make the wings and the eyes of my Oreos bats. I'll use the leftover melted dark chocolate to make the mouth of my bats, and also the leftover melted white chocolate and red food color mixture to make the fangs of my bat. They look so spooky and special. For the third recipe, I have something even easier. Here I'll use the leftover melted white chocolate and red food mixture and top it over the cut open Oreos. I'm using the cream part here. This looks like the eyeballs. Here I'll top with some candy eyes. If you have giant candy eyes, you can add that, but here I had small ones, so I'm using that. Next, melt some white chocolate and add green food color to it and draw the veins of these eyes. It looks so spooky and special, and trust me, everyone will fall for this one, and it's so easy as well. Over to the fourth treat. Here I'm taking some chocolate biscuits, topping with some chocolate short balls and candy eyes. Here I'm using the melted dark chocolate as a glue to stick everything together, and also leftover melted dark chocolate I'll use to draw the tentacles of these spiders. Just let it set in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes and everything will come together. Trust me, this one is even special and so delicious at the same time. So these are so easy to make. Over to the fourth recipe. This is so easy. Here I'm just using the leftover melted white chocolate that I had. I'll take it up in a piping bag and drizzle it unevenly over some leftover Oreos, top with some candy eyes, and it looks so easy and spooky. They are my mummy Oreos. They are so special and unique. I hope you had a great time learning how to make these easy no-bake Halloween treats. Here all the recipes are very minimal, takes very easy and minimal ingredients to make, and I'm sure you will fall in love with these. Hope you had a great time watching them. I'll catch you again next Friday for another unique Halloween treat, and have a great Halloween everyone.